Okay, we've got another lot here for our May 2023 government vehicle and equipment auction. This here is a 2002 Ford E150. It's a window van, but it's a window cargo van. I'll just do a little bit of a walk around here for you. Government surplus. Driven it around our yard, seems to drive and operate as required. Low kilometers on it, of course. You know, most of these government vehicles have low kilometers on them because they're not driven back and forth to work every day. So a few cargo boxes inside here. Looks like they're a weather guard style system, all steel. Contractor shelving on that one side. There's a little Webasto interior heater. That'd be a gas powered. I believe it's an Air Top 2000. So gas powered heater, an auxiliary heater. Let me see, I'll go into the passenger side here. Seats are in, passenger seats in pretty good condition, driver seats in poor condition. Aftermarket lighting on the ceiling there. Vehicle's running, just so that I can show you how it's running. So tires are in okay condition, definitely worn. I don't know, you'll probably get a season or two out of them depending on how much you're driving them. Weather guard ladder rack on the roof, roof rack, ladder rack in the back doors here. So not sure if we have keys for the locking cabinet here. You're gonna have to check the description online. We do also post a lot of pictures, probably about 75 pictures, or up to 75 pictures on our website, bcsurplus.com. And we also do write a full description for all the items in the auction sale. You know, we plug things in and test them out. We're not like every other auction company. We actually try and present, you know, an opinion about the items that we're selling. But of course, always remember that everything is sold as is, where is. So, but we do try to provide an opinion of condition and you know, what our thoughts are. Definitely some little bits of rust there. I did see a few dents on the other side. Here's the driver's seat. It's been patched with tuck tape or duct tape. I call it duct tape. I've heard other people call it tuck tape. Torn on the back. Oh, I need to get rid of that piece of garbage. 97,000, I'm just going to shut off that beeper. 97,261 kilometers on a 2002. Very plain Jane vehicle. There's no air conditioning. We don't test everything, by the way. I think I've explained that before. You know, we don't test to make sure the stereo works and stuff like that. Tilt steering I see though. And I'll let you go listen to the motor now. And it is a 4.2 liter, which I believe is their 6-cylinder. But you know, I'm an auctioneer, I'm not an automotive guy, so I'll let you listen. I think you got to see the back of my legs there. So anyways, this is selling in our May 2023 auction. I'm not sure the exact date in May, and highest bid wins. So unreserved, no minimum prices, no starting bids. Everything starts at $1, and whoever bids last or bids the highest wins. There's one of the dents there I was talking about. And so we're All City Auctioneers. We are located in Langley, British Columbia, and we use a website called bcsurplus.com. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.